YouTube, what's going on, guys? It's your boy OTK Vlogs back in the tape with another video, man. We just left Cars Coffee Morrisville. Once again, great turnout. Y'all will be seeing that video before this one, but we're back at it again with Buena Vida. Hopefully this event will be good. You know, these events are usually short, so this video is probably gonna be like 15 minutes longer or less. But yeah, I'm heading right now. We got a BMW, we got a Trackhawk. We are cruising there. Hopefully it's a safe cruise, and yeah, I'll see you guys all whenever we get there, I guess. It's not charging, bitch. Y'all see this shit, I have to go through to charge these damn batteries. I'm about to literally buy like 2 more batteries, bro, I swear. Oh, nigga, you gay! Yo, what the fuck? This guy, bro. Fast as fuck, boy.
A few minutes later.
Cops mad, dude. Look at this guy, bro. Clown. Jesus Christ, bro. Oh, I thought I was getting pulled over. What? Oh, I thought that was me. Hey, keep going. Bro, I thought I was about to get pulled over, bro.
I did too, I'm shaking.
Bro, cause I did a little pool. What up, dude? Eat. What up, bro? This motherfucker's cooked, bro.
What the retard cops is going on?
They're fucking stupid. I did a pool and I thought it was me, bro. I thought he was coming after me, bro. I was like, Damn, RP, my boy just got pulled over by the cops, but he took the bait. I know y'all seen that on video, hopefully. Bro, what happened?
I didn't do shit. I know. He let me go.
It was me, bro. I was gonna gas it a little bit.
No, I gassed it too.
Oh,
I hit it right after you did. What'd he say? He didn't say nothing. He was like, you can't be the grab in your head.
Is this nigga serious?
That sounds fucking dumb, bro.
Did he sound retarded? I asked all of them, telling him, you don't hear all these other motherfuckers, like while I was pulled over, it was a big going pow, 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 and shooting all up down the street.
Revving his engine.
I thought,
okay.
Like, I'm telling you, bro, these cops are useless, bro. Good luck with the sins. Look at his ass. Let me go ahead and inspect this man Beamer cabs and the wheels. Wow, it's calm right now. Let me see. Sheesh. They're BMW wheels. I thought it was like a different brand. Damn, boy, them things is nice. Shit. These boys is clean. We got the Clapmobile right here. Let's bro's exhaust setup. But yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna do a specific walk around like I always say. I mean, maybe I should so the video can be full, but we got a lot of cars here, as y'all can see, man. All the bikes and shit. Bro, it's about Mustang, bro. The green one. Oh. His hood's not popped though, of course. Guy, Naturals Doctor, Snowman, GT Handun. Y'all know these people. Nismo. This is Nismo? It has to be. Yeah, it is nice. Okay, GT4. My guy Ruben right here, twin turbo R8, man. Sheesh. Turbo S. 350. Ferraris. Not as many Ferraris as I thought. They probably all left, like a lot of them. Testarossa? This is rare because it only has like one mirror on the side. Shit, that's crazy. Look. Yeah, Testarossa. That's crazy. My Jorge right here. Boy, Carlos. Mustang on a tire, boy. Looks so unusual. That's too. Tire. What up, my boy? Boy, Nico. Nico! Buddy, you hear me? Hector in the cut. Yo. Boy, chopping C6. Sergio, okay. It's Supra though. That Supra looks nice, bro. I think this might be that one giveaway Supra. This guy won this in a giveaway. GTI. Jenny. Yes, sir, yes, sir. What up, bro? Though, what do you do to it? Bro, look at this plate, bro.
I love Latino.
I know it's a trap, bro. There has to be a cop down there somewhere.
Nope.
Yeah, bro. Sound good, sound good, sound good. Yeah, it's low-key calm here though, y'all. Everyone just chilling out right now. No sins yet, no sins yet.
A few moments later.
Crispy. I like that. Nice, bro. That sounds good. Damn, boy. Okay, okay. Done. God. That dude is tweaking, bro. Oh shit. Israel whipping that. You got Jesus right here.
Boy, if you don't get your squiggly digging in here.
Oh, there you go. Damn, Mason, where the hell you come from? Damn, he's screaming. Hold on. Good lord.
Good thing she got fucking short. That would not have been a good idea, bro.
Yo, stupid, bro. Is she on one? This Mustang right here, twin turbo from Florida. I've never seen this one before. Sadly, he didn't get to do his sin today. He's probably in there eating. Sadly, the hood's not popped up, y'all, so we won't be able to see it on in the engine bay. But I can tell it's twin turbo because look, side exit, definitely twin turbo. Yeah, no way. For real though. This man really moved forward, bro. There's literally like no cars left, y'all. It's just this guy, and then the Ferrari. Yeah, it's dry though now, y'all. So we've had finna baby. Yes sir, yes sir. What up, man? Like always, La Buena Vida. They have a decent amount of cars, but it's never enough for like a complete full 20-minute video. So sorry about that. Yeah, we're heading out tonight back to PetSmart. We can go home right now, take a nap, eat, and yeah, head back outside to Raleigh. I think that's all so much for watching this video, man. Don't forget to leave a like down below, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see y'all next time, man. Big ass hood though. Hey, dripping. Crazy work. Who's about to get pulled over? If they're bored, they're definitely gonna pull you over. Oh, no? Okay. It's over here, Isaiah. Isaiah. Oh my gosh, dude. Uh-oh. Cops are looking over here still, bro. Oh my god, they're thirsty. There they go, they're going.